Women folk in Imphal area blocked roads in different parts of the city to prevent people from taking part in the election rally to be addressed by Union Home Minister today at Hapta Kangjebong. The blockade was effective particularly in Kurai, Lamlong and New Chekon in Imphal East District. The protesters not only stopped vehicles carrying people who had come to attend the election rally, but also removed BJP flags from vehicles bearing the party's flags. In New Chekon area, protesters are part of burning tires to discourage commuters from heading towards the meeting venue. However, private vehicles were allowed free passage. A woman protester at Kurai Lamlong said they are not against the visit of Union Home Minister Amit or the elections. The fact that the plight of the strife-torn state people is undermined on the pretext of election pains us, she said. The people of Manipur will have been extended grand welcome to the Union Home Minister if his visit was to resolve the persisting crisis nearly almost a year, the protester added.
Why the Honorable Union Home Minister is coming to Manipur? He is not coming here to solve the issues of Manipur. He is just concerned about their election more than the values of the Manipuri people. If he is the responsible Union Minister, he should solve this issue within 11 hours, within 11 days. He should not take 11 months, but he already took 11 months also. Even till today, he is not giving any kind of solid, reasonable solution.
Several organizations of Manipur have condemned the Union Home Minister's visit to violence-hit Manipur today. Besides, women vendors of Kakwa Kaithel went on strike opposing Amit Shah's visit to Manipur to campaign for the Bharatiya Janata Party BJP ahead of Lok Sabha polls. The agitators noted that despite Amit Shah's visit in Manipur, where several vows were made to put an end to the violence in state that broke out on May 3rd, he was unable to bring back the state's normalcy. The agitators further stressed that despite his assurance, the union minister never returned to Manipur. It is terribly shameful that a lot of women folk went to greet him even after many innocent civilians died in this tragic violence. Agitators further appeal to the people not to get influence for the upcoming polls. All Manipur Relief and Village Volunteer Organizing Committee staged agitation at the committee's office at Akampat against Union Home Minister Amit Shah's visit as an electoral campaigner, ignoring the state's current crisis. Several placards opposing election and slogans against Amit Shah's campaign were raised during the protests.